If you are on a budget and would like to improve your downstairs toilet, utility room or bathroom, Airflow Aura Eco is a highly reliable extractor fan with a 2-year warranty and low energy motors of only 5.6 watts, so this is definitely a good option to consider. The fan comes in various control options and is recessed into the wall. The Aura range of fans are slim, compact, attractively styled and very easy to clean, and are perfect for most through-the-wall installations, with a modular design for ease of installation and maintenance. The Aura Eco 100 is designed to improve quiet extraction of only 26 decibels in a suitable application. This fan is available with a range of models including standard with a basic switching operation, timer with an adjustable timer, PIR and timer, humidity timer with an adjustable humidity and timer. Let's talk about ducting and vents. With a maximum of 19.5 litres per second or 70 cubic meters per hour, Aura Eco performs the best using through the wall application with a short duct run. If you are using ducting through the ceiling to a mushroom cowl or a roof tile vent, keep your ducting as short as possible and don't exceed 1.5 meters. Due to a low energy eco motor, it is not recommended to use bends with your Airflow Aura. Aura Eco is also available in 100, 125 and 150mm diameter. Please find the links for products mentioned in the description below. If you have any further questions regarding your installation or your requirements, please call our technical line, who would be happy to help you. For more information, visit us online or call now